Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this weather is driving me nuts. You're down here in Florida. One day it's in the 80s, and I got to turn the air conditioner on. And the next 2 days it's in the 40s, and I got to turn the heat on. Anyway, so much for the weather report. This is, I think I probably have showed you this before, but I wanted to show it to you again. I've gotten some recent comments about there's nothing on shortwave radio. Well, it's just harder to find those stations. And one way to find those stations is this website. It's called hard-core. Try it again. hard-core-dx.com. And you can sign up to be on their mailing list. And what happens when you're on your mailing list, when people do reports of what they've found on the shortwave, it's sent to you in the form of an email. And I'm on the About page. Gives you a little history of this website. Started, I guess it's indicating that it started back in the year 2000. And then we go down to the front page. And this is kind of an overview that the managers of this website do. It gives you some information about things that are on the air. And then what you can get when you sign up, when you subscribe, is you get these logs. And that's what's important. And I got one just a few minutes ago. And Glenn Hauser has been doing this for years. He's written a lot of books, very good source of information. But here is his report for February 20th and 21st. This is just for this time frame. And look at all the things that are listed. All the frequencies, all the stations. Here's another one of his. And here's the one I just got right here. And here he's reporting that he heard China radio, Cuba radio, I don't know how to pronounce that radio, German radio, Oklahoma in United States, Taiwan, all. And then look at it, look at all these reports. And then here's a listing of broadcast on a particular station. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday for the week, therefore. And that's just one entry right there of all the stations he was able to hear. And I don't remember, and we'll see if it says, it says where he is, in Oklahoma. So he's in the middle of the United States. No, I take that back. That's one of his reports. I was trying to see where he is, and I don't see it. I thought it was in here. But he's somewhere in the United States. No. But anyway, this is a fantastic source. And like I say, you can subscribe, get on the mailing list. It's all free. They send you these emails of these reports. You get about 2 or 3 a day. Most of them from Glenn. And then there's another guy down in South America that has a very extensive report of many stations that he's found. And it gives you some places to look. Like if I come up here and I just pick one up here, not in the United States, for instance. China radio on 7255. He heard him on February 21st at 1337. I assume that's UTC. And it says it's a Russian discussion mentioning some of the Chinese names. And then it goes on, tells you a little more about it. So it even tells you what the show was about. It tells you where the site was. I guess that is where he is. Because here's his name and OKWOR. So I guess he's in Oklahoma, which is in the middle of the United States, and he's getting these stations. Now, I don't know his setup, what radios he's using or antennas. He probably mentions that in some of his other reports. But check this out. And then there's other things. Is it calendar? Let's see, what's on the calendar? I don't know what's on the calendar. Not much right this month. You can search on their website for maybe a particular show or something. He's got polls, antenna books. They sell archives, copyright. The store, what's in their store? Ah, they don't have a store. Okay. Books. Yeah, here's some books. That recommended books associated with Amazon.com. Yeah. This is the book that I really like. It's radios past and present this is up to 1997. Great source of information. Anyway, go to this website and check it out. Let's go back to the front page. Or you can do the DX News. I haven't looked at that. So here's a reception report from Sofia. Here's Australia. Look at this. Look at all the stations. I mean, granted, it's not a lot, but they're still there. And right now, we're in solar minimum, so it's very difficult to receive shortwave. But this helps you to know when and where to listen. Check it out, hard-core-dx.com. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.